Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Monggo Pinar Ontan channel Pulo. I'm working on this cute baby, Janus. He has two different face in one head, aka kembar siam. Everybody say, why you like a creepy doll? No, this is not creepy doll. This one is like fantasy doll. Yep. It's fun though, painting like this. It gives you relaxation, like working masterpiece. Yeah, masterpiece. I call this one an art doll. I'm using Genesis. Yep. Oops. This. Definitely. I like this paint material. The pigmentation is very, let's say, it's very good. Yeah. A little bit goes a long way. See, just like this. Dab a teeny tiny bit. Have to be really patient. I take my time. I don't know, somehow I enjoy this kind of activity. I love art. I've been collecting the doll. I think recently, yeah, I love it. They're so cute. And of course, I sell some of them. Or for people interesting to buy it, I just let them go. Only sometimes I cannot let them go because of the doll kit. They are limited edition, so I bought them and keep it for myself. It's okay. Yeah, like this one, they made only 333, and this one is item number 300. Yeah, small batch. I don't know, this is like a first edition or second edition, I don't know. They only make a 333. Yeah, so cute. Sepele ini kita pinjelimet, ya ampun. Iya, jenenge art. Same thing like some people collecting a stamp, some people collecting what else? Purse. Some people collecting other thing, but I'm collecting a cat and a doll. There's nothing wrong with it. Oops, it's too much. Yep, is that right? This one is done like this. So cute, look at this. Yes, separate toes. So cute. Wish me luck. Thanks for watching.